Hi guys, we finally got a Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. This came from Hubsan brand. Previous model is already got a Zino 1, Zino Pro and the Zino 2. So this is the latest model Zino 2 Plus. It means the Zino 2 upgrade version. So we can see the tag on this bag. It is Zino 2 Plus, Hubsan brand. This is the portable combo. It came with one bag and two batteries. Let's see it is any different with the previous model Zino 2 inside the bag. We got a drone, Zino 2 Plus, Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. The test color is green color, and we got a remote control. Good, this is not any different with the previous model. Joystick here. It's also using the micro USB cable. The manual book. We got a spare propellers and the two screwdriver. We got two set spare propellers. And we got a OTG cable, three type C, and the lightning and the micro USB. And the charger. This is the intelligent charger. It's different with the previous model. This is the adapter. For this charger, it can be charged multiple battery. This is the adapter. You can use it as like power bank. We got a USB cable for charging the remote control, and the battery. This is for the Zino 2 Plus battery. The button now is all white color. Previous it is gray color, and here the detail sticker. Previous it is the black color, but now it's blue color. This is the previous model Zino 2. So let's see any different. The plate is different, and the gimbal cover. Previous it is black color and now it's transparent. Let's see the battery button. Yeah, previous is gray color, now it's all white color. And the optical floor sensor. Yeah, the body shell is different. It's here, nothing different. It's same. Size is the same size. The body size is same. Okay, this is all the parts accessory inside the portable combo. We got a two set spare propellers, the three cable OTG, two batteries, and the intelligent charger for only charge one. So if you need the multiple for extra to charge your battery, so that is optional to buy. And the cable for charging remote control, the drone, and the remote control. Zino 2 Plus, it is the upgrade version from Zino 2. So it's already upgrade the image transmission system from the list 2.0 to sync list. Sync list, the latest high definition digital image transmission. The latest firmware upgrades, better picture quality, further image transmission distance, and equipped with the intelligent charger. It is already increased the maximum distance from 8 km to 9 km, and the flight time is also increased from 33 minutes to 35 minutes. And the charger for the previous model is only can charge with one battery at one time. So now it's already upgrade to the intelligent charger, so you can charge for multiple battery. But the adapter for charging the multiple battery, you have to buy optional. Okay, now we test how the performance on this upgraded version Hubsan Zino 2 Plus.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Woo!
Through the back door.